From this video, you will get tips to prepare for NS0-094 NetApp Hardware Support Engineer Professional. What is NetApp Hardware Support Engineer Professional Exam? NS0-094 Exam Objectives. How to prepare effectively. 1. You have replaced a failed boot device. You perform boot_recovery and receive no errors. However, when the node reboots, it reports that it has no disks. What are two possible causes? Choose 2. A. The SAS cables were incorrectly reconnected after reinstalling the motherboard. B. The disks that are owned by this node have been marked as failed. C. The node is booting a lower version of ONTAP software than was last used. D. The interconnect is down. Answer: A, C. 2. Which command can you use to confirm successful completion of an ONTAP upgrade? A. System Controller SP Upgrade Show. B. Cluster Image Show Update Progress. C. Job Show Job Type Upgrade. D. System Node Upgrade Revert Upgrade Task Node less than Node Name greater than Version less than ONTAP Version greater than. Answer: B. 3. Which two factors can increase the chances of experiencing a NetApp WAFL inconsistency on an aggregate? Choose 2. A. Ignoring NetApp Active IQ health risks. B. Constantly running at high load. C. Using outdated disk firmware. D. Upgrading frequently. Answer: A, C. 4. What happens when the command disk copy is run from NodeShell? A. It pre-fails a drive in an aggregate and copies it to a spare. B. It performs a low-level copy of the disk to another disk. C. It copies the disk content to a specified volume. D. It triggers a RAID reconstruction of that disk. Answer: B. 5. When you plan an ONTAP upgrade, which NetApp tool generates a detailed upgrade plan? A. ONTAP System Manager. B. Active IQ Unified Manager. C. Upgrade Advisor. D. Active IQ Config Advisor. Answer: C. 6. What are the two steps to unfail a disk in maintenance mode? Choose 2. A. Reseat the disk. B. Remove it from the failed disk registry. C. Use the disk unfair command. D. Use the disk remove command. Answer: B, C. 7. An aggregate has experienced a multiple disk failure due to a failing I/O module, IOM. The module has been replaced and the aggregate is still failed. What step can be taken to recover the aggregate? A. Use disk copy from maintenance mode. B. Run wafliren from the boot_menu. C. Unfail the drives from maintenance mode. D. Unfail the drives in the order that they failed from the cluster shell. Answer: C. 8. What should be the first step taken after detecting a NetApp WAFL inconsistency? A. Run wafliren. B. Stabilize the system. C. Force offline the affected aggregate. D. Run a dump to null. Answer: B. 9. Which two scenarios are common causes of the root volume needing root volume recovery? Choose 2. A. The root volume ran out of space. B. The mainboard was replaced following a non-maskable interrupt, NMI, panic. C. Root volume migrate was performed. D. The cluster configuration is out of sync on the volume. Answer: A, D. 10. A node has failed. Which two conditions must be met for an automatic takeover to be triggered? Choose 2. A. The combined utilization of both nodes must be less than 100%. B. The cluster network must be available. C. Mailbox disks must be reachable. D. NVRAM must be synchronized. Answer: CD. Subscribe and like past question.